Oh, what is up, everybody?
Hi guys, welcome back to our Subtle Cuddle Finance channel. And today we are
gonna talk about. Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna talk about. All right, guys. Today we are gonna talk about just one of our stocks. You know what? Let's talk about one of our stocks. Yes. So one of our stocks that is hitting the news like crazy is Delta, for various reasons. Number one, we are in a pandemic. In case you didn't know, in case you're living under a rock, we are under a pandemic, and we cannot fly out. And you want to tell them how it is.
So we decided to invest in Delta Airlines because we both like Delta, and we think it's a good airline over the other airlines that are available. So we bought some Delta stocks before the pandemic. No, around like when I think they hit the lower like threshold of 30 something. So it was a good amount. Like for us, I think it was just the beginning of pandemic.
Yeah.
So we decided to buy, and we bought a few, like I don't know, some stocks, and then I think now Delta is continuing to drop. Yes.
Partially, yeah. It's kind of taking a drop still.
Yes.
But some other airlines that we should include on the list that we don't have invested for, we're about to get into it. Why we're not? For example, Air Canada. Back in 2002, Air Canada has been bankrupt. Maybe they learned their lesson. Because right now they have more cash in their portfolio. Air Canada, we don't have anything in there. We don't use Air Canada, so we don't care about Air Canada. Okay. United, we don't like United. United has a lot of that anyway. So in comparison to Delta, what else is another one? You mean American Airlines? That's a good one. Maybe we could have invested in American Airlines. I think. Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's so many.
Spirit Airline, they use this way of traveling as, they buy kind of like used aircraft sometimes, and they have cheaper prices. So the demographic is, people who want the cheapest ride anywhere, right? So does that work in a pandemic right now? I don't think so. And also, the airline that can reach the most amount of people is going to be the winner.
We like Delta. We invested in Delta. The reason why Delta stocks have been hitting even lower, I think the recent news with the Warren Buffett making a decision selling Delta stocks.
Yeah, so he is under 10% right now, so it made headlines. Why is that significant? Well, last week Delta went down in price because Warren Buffett sold his stocks under 10% now. What is he doing with the rest of his percentage of Delta? Well, he might sell it all off. But that doesn't seem like something he would do. If you know anything about Warren Buffett, usually he's the type of guy who holds his stocks for a very long term and then sells it for a higher price. Now, how does that concern us? It doesn't, okay? I still believe in Delta. In fact, I'll still buy more Delta. I think we even bought more Delta even after the announcement. Another strategy Warren Buffett may be doing is saying, selling it so everybody knows that he sold the Delta stocks, and maybe buying it for a cheaper price because he knows he has that effect on other people and the stocks. So possibly he bought even more into the airline, knowing that. Now, do I think that Delta will go bankrupt? I don't think so. I don't know, but I don't think so. Okay. Have I ever been through a pandemic, and has the United States ever been through a pandemic? And have we seen how airlines kind of work in this kind of pandemic, right? No. But, I guess that's just part of the game. Okay, so we're investing in a pretty risky company. But I think that's okay.
I think investing right now is into airlines and hospitality businesses could be tricky and pretty risky, but we believe the economy will, regain its momentum again. It might take a year or longer. Nobody really knows. But as long as you're willing to take these risks, the ones that they say take the risks might reap the most benefit as well. So we decided we're gonna invest a little risky with those airlines, for example, Delta. Even though it's risky right now, we still believe in it. Believe that it's too big to fail, and most likely U.S. government will bail it out, if anything, with some stimulus checks.
Another risky company that we are investing in is CCL, ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Cruise Line. It's Carnival Cruises, right? And they have taken a pretty big hike down. But if you want to hear more about that, please subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and in the comments below you can let us know if you want to hear more about this Delta stock or you want to hear more about Carnival Cruise, and we'll do a video on that too. But in terms of Delta right now, we're not really that worried about it. I think we're gonna continue, investing in it little by little still every day. Every month or so. And if it goes up, then that's good for us. And if it goes down, that's okay, because you know what? We don't have our entire life savings into the stocks. We just try to earn more money right here, trying to be smart with our money a little bit, maybe doing a little bit of risky investments in order to hopefully give us a good payout. And you'll be here in the journey with us, okay? So if you wanna, buy into Delta, we recommend it. We have investments in Delta. And if not, then tell us why not down below in the comments, okay? Type it in, go ahead, go crazy. Let us know. All right, tell us.
And that's it. If you subscribe, like our video, comments, engage with us. We would like to hear your opinion on our investment strategies and decisions. And yeah, we're hoping that you're gonna be a part of our journey, and we'll be part of yours. So thank you. Bye.